every single day. I'm gonna make something great.
What's going on, Foodie Fam? So this will be some of the food that we're going to be using today, some of the ingredients. So please make sure you have these on deck because we're going to be cooking with these ingredients to make this delicious sandwich today. Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing how to make a food hack for Sloppy Joe's. Sloppy? Who you calling sloppy? Not calling you sloppy, I'm saying Sloppy Joe's. Hey, it's going to be a great dish. Let's get ready, let's get to it. Before we get started, please like, share, and subscribe down below. All right, so we're gonna start off with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're gonna now add in our 8 ounces of turkey ground meat. We're gonna make sure our burner's on medium heat because we're gonna cook this for 5 minutes. We want to stir the meat in and make sure we get all the meat cooked precisely and make sure everything's even. Now we're adding our diced green peppers, our diced tomatoes and onions. And now we have the 1/4 cup of the sugar-free sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. We also have sugar-free ketchup. And now we're stirring it in very gently to make sure everything is well blended together. All right, and remember, we're gonna cook this for another 5 minutes to make sure the sauce and everything is well blended together. Now we're adding 1 teaspoon of pepper and salt. Now, when you're cooking with your ground turkey and you have all your ingredients inside of it and it's cooking, turn your heat down. Don't have it too high because you'll be like this person right here. All right, now we're back. We're adding 2 tablespoons now of mayo, 1 tablespoon of our chipotle pepper sauce with a squeeze of lemon juice. Now we're adding in a 1/2 teaspoon of our celery salt. You want to stir it, make sure it's well blended. It should look just like this, a nice pinkish color. All right, now we're going to add in our olive oil to make sure we coat our pan very well because we're about to start adding our bread to make sure it's nicely toasted. And when we add our bread in there, we want to make sure we cook this for 2 minutes on a medium heat because we want it to be golden brown just like this. Now, you want to do this with both buns because you want to make sure when you take a bite of the sandwich, both sides are going to be nice and soft, but a nice crispy outerior to make sure it's just right. Now I'm adding my pepper jack cheese. I want to make sure that's melted very nicely. So now we're going to put it all together. So now let's add our aioli sauce to our bottom bun. We want to make sure we add a nice amount to make sure we can taste that, and it's going to add a great flavor to our Sloppy Joe mix. And now we're adding our Sloppy Joe mix. We won't be able to get all of the 8 ounces on there, but we want to make sure we can get as close as we can possible. So let's make sure we give it a nice portion size because it's going to make the bite even better when you add all the flavors combined. And now we're about to get ready to put the top on top of the bun. And it's going to give it that nice finishing look. If you're sharing this with your friends and family, this would be a great dish to make for any of them, even your cousins or anybody that want to come over. All right, and this is the way it looks now. You see that aioli on the bottom, that cheese on top, that nice crispy bun on the exterior. You know you bite into it to be just right. Oh, yeah. You want a bite, don't you? Go ahead. Get the bite. Go ahead. Go ahead. Get into it. You know a sandwich is good once you bite into it and you gotta look at it and say, how dare you be this doggone delicious. I almost bit my tongue, it was so good. Yes, oh yes. Thank you all for watching. Please let me know how your food comes out. Leave comments down below. If you have any questions, let me know. If you want to see how to do a full out recipe, please let me know. I have no problem with doing that as well. But till again, let's keep cooking. Food for One signing out.